How's it going, Carey, with DrillFit training? Today I'm going to show y'all the seated row machine. Some people also know this as the hammer strength row. Just a different brand name, but very similar. This is going to be a back exercise. Today I'm going to show y'all a neutral grip row to do with it, which is going to mostly hit the lats, the lower lats down here. Secondarily, we will also be hitting the rhomboids, the teres minor, and then anytime you do a back movement, you get a little bit of biceps with it. Two different adjustments to be made on this machine. The seat pad here moves up and down either according to your height or the row that you are performing. And then also the chest pad moves in and out according to how thick or wide your chest cavity is. I have it pulled all the way out because I want to be able to really get that brace on my abdomen as I press into the pad. Go ahead and hop on here. A few different things to think about as you go through this exercise. So the handles are a bit far away from you, that's so that you can get that full range of motion. Those may move at your gym and be adjustable. So reach over and grab them. My feet are on the outermost posts so I can really brace myself. I want to keep my chest up as high as possible. And as I row back, I'm keeping my elbows directly behind my wrists. Traps down, chest is up very high. And you only want to come back as far as the machine allows you to, or as far as your body allows you to without breaking form. I don't want to be pulling directly back and having to move my wrists to be able to get the handle back far enough, just to the point where it actually stops you. You can do this with both arms or unilateral, one arm at a time. Great back exercise. This is the seated row machine.